Traders are watching Treasury yields on the rise this week. Let's bring in Michele Schneider. She's with the MarketGauge Group. And what do you think of the market action?
Well, we started to see the rotation last week with the higher rates into some of the sectors that we have talked about on this show that needs to play some catch up. The financials being one, transportation, the small caps, and retail being the others. And so far, that's basically what's happening, where NASDAQ has gone relatively flat, even with the higher rates, hasn't necessarily sold off, but it's hanging in there. It's been those inside sectors that have performed. And I think the message is partly because what the Fed implied was that they could start tapering and even looking at higher rates if the economy were to improve. So the question is the economy really improving, because we have such major other issues here? So that's going to really tell the sustenance of whether or not these other areas can grow and continue to grow. And that's really going to be based on inflation. The big story of the week, of course, is the oil shortages, UK having the troops out to help dispense some of this oil. And that's without the variant completely going away. Natural gas going crazy. Food prices still on the rise. Industrial metals starting to come back. So the stagflation scenario still continues to plague us.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, we've talked about this trade so often. If you really want to do a bottom picking type trade, I still think that if Beyond can close, and that's the key, it has to be a closing level above 115 that can go. But other than that, if you're not in commodities and you're looking for a good commodities play, you might want to watch Mountain Pass, which is rare earth mineral mine in California. It needs to clear about 35, and then it can get set up for another move higher. We've been bullish in that for a long time.
Well, we are bullish on you. Thank you, Michele.
Thank you, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.